Welcome back to another tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at some of the tools that we have in our toolbox. And we've already covered the selection tool, which allows you to move media around, allows you to highlight media so that you can make edits to it. It also allows you to clip the media. So if you want to reduce the length or make a certain selection of a part or whole of the media that you want to leave out from your media. Now, we also looked at the hand tool, and with it selected, you can move around your timeline to get a better view of what's going on. And this applies the same to the so we click on this drop down arrow, you can see under the hand tool we have the zoom tool. The same thing with zoom tool, click on it to allow you to zoom in, and if you hold on Alt and click to allow you to zoom in. Again, if you hold on the Alt key, you can see it changes. So now we have the plus icon, hold on the Alt key, have the minus icon, and that means zoom out. So that's how the zoom tool works. Now, another tool we can look at is the razor tool. Now, the razor tool allows you to make cuts on media. So let's say you want to delete a part of the media. So all you have to do is make a cut, just click on it, and you can see now we have let's go back to the zoom tool. We have two parts of that media. So I'm just going to do this. So we have a better view over here. Then now the drone shot, you can see that we cut it into two parts, and I can do whatever I want with this one. So if I want, I can delete it. Control Z. Again, if I want, I can move it to the end. So let's say you want to move it to different positions, so you can cut it and do that. So again, with the razor tool selected, you can take it and make cuts to your audio as well and your channel. Now, one thing I want you to note is it's using a combination keys with your tool can make very meaningful changes to how they affect your work. Now, with the razor tool selected, if I hold on the Shift key, it will allow you to cut through multiple media. Now that means I can cut through the audio and the video at the same time. So let me just click here. You'll notice that we've made cuts from the audio and the video file. So I can move the audio file, I can also move the video file. So again, Shift, select the razor tool, then hold on Shift. If you click once, you can see I've made cuts on both the video and the audio files that you have. So with those cuts made, you can reposition your media again, like so, and then you can go ahead with your files. Now, one thing I want you to note is with the razor tool selected, you can see now that you're hovering on the edge, it has a red cross stroke. Now, this means that you can make edits out here. But once you hover it over a media file, you can see the red cross will disappear, and that means you can edit. Media file. You can make cuts on it on any point and do whatever you want with the changes.